Hi! Today I am reviewing Quince's leather weekender bag, and this is what it looks like when you get it. Mine's in the dust bag. I'm going to show you two different colors, and I'm actually on vacation right now for the Labor Day weekend, and I did use this bag, but then I took everything out and put it in the closet that I'm at the hotel that I'm staying at. And I'm gonna put everything back in now that I'm going to be checking out in a few hours. Okay, so let me take the bags out of the dust bag. I like that it comes with a dust bag, so when you're not using it, you know, it doesn't get dirty. One thing I like about these bags is the color. I'm so used to getting everything in black, but I'm trying to get other neutral colors in my wardrobe. So when I saw these weekender bags, I fell in love immediately. So these are the two colors that I received, and I'm gonna put one of them down because it's heavy. And it's gonna kind of go over the features. First thing that drew me to this bag was that it had the luggage sleeve. Usually whenever I see weekender bags, it's like a canvas material or it's like a nylon material, which is great. I mean, those styles are, I want to say, to me, they're more like sporty casual, but I wanted something a little bit more elegant looking, I guess, if you want to say. And usually when I find a weekender bag like that, it doesn't have that luggage sleeve. So I was really happy to see that that weekender bag had a luggage sleeve, and it's kind of hard to tell too, if you can see right there, right? But that's what the luggage sleeve is. Another thing, it kind of looks like just like a pocket. Another thing that I liked, or that drew me to this bag, was the multiple compartments. Not just on the inside, but on the exterior. When you open this bag, there is an exterior zipper here on this side, and then on the other side, there is another exterior zipper there. And then there is a middle zipper right there, and then the middle zipper, there's another zipper inside for, you know, to put other items in. There's a zipper there, and then on the other side are 3 different compartments where you can stash your other items, like small miscellaneous items. So I love that there are so many options as to where you want to put your items, because a lot of times I want to say that whenever I find weekender bags, it's pretty much just like one area where you put everything in, and then the bottom there's like a shoe compartment, which those bags are great too. But I prefer being able to organize my clothes and accessories in different compartments. A lot of times when I do a weekend trip, I'll take like a mini suitcase and then a weekender bag. Another thing that I really liked about this bag was that also there's another compartment on the side. So there's 2 side compartments. So this is where you can put, like, you know, an umbrella or a water bottle. So yeah, there's so many compartments that is like what I really like about this bag. You can put clothes on inside the 2 exterior pockets and in the inside, but I mostly kept my clothes in the inside, and the exterior pockets I used for other miscellaneous items. You can carry it as is, like this, or you know, you just put it on your suitcase sleeve, or if you want to carry it on your shoulder, there is a strap. But I rarely use a strap for duffel bags, or not duffel bags, for bags like this, or especially because it's heavy and it just like puts too much weight on my shoulders. So the reason why I got this is because it had the luggage sleeve. So I always set this on top of my suitcase. Just to go over some of the little details, the hardware is nice. It seems durable. I've used this bag. So I got this bag this summer, and I've been on a few weekend trips now, and so far it's worked out great. I haven't had any issues with it. Also, this strap is adjustable if you want to adjust the length of the strap. But like I said, I don't use the strap, but I do keep it handy just in case, for whatever reason, I did want to use it. A great feature of this bag also is the bottom, so that, I don't know if you can see these little foots here. I don't know if you call it a foot. But so when you place it down, it doesn't get the bag dirty. So that's also a nice little detail that they have. Also, when you close the bag, you can use this button here to close it. I think if you stuff your bag way too much though, this probably won't shut very well, but I haven't had any issues yet. Every time I pack my bag, this button works just fine. But let's go ahead and pack this bag, and I'll show you how much I put in here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.